guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question, hi Vanessa, I love your channel so much. Oh, thank you, Brianna. My question is, have you ever dropped your packages at the post office and not receive a confirmation that your order is tracking? I recently had 3 orders, and both are in transit, but one is not. It was a bundle of 9 items. I even waited before I sent it, and it was a little over 2 pounds. After the 42-hour mark, should I contact Poshmark or the post office? So I have had that happen to me before. For some reason, the heavier item took longer to track. But yeah, if it's been like 2 days, I would contact the post office and be like, hey, what's going on? You can give them the tracking number. You can look up the tracking number either in your email or on the Poshmark app. But yeah, after 2 days, I mean, it should definitely start tracking. So I would, I'd contact the post office, not Poshmark, because Poshmark's going to be like, contact the post office. So yeah, I would contact the post office, give them the tracking number, and then see what's going on. Next question. I was the one that asked you about the campaigns. Have you heard the latest drama with them? They stopped doing them because of the overwhelming response. What are your thoughts about this? Okay, so in a previous video, I talked about how in January, Poshmark was doing like deal days or whatever they called it, where you could do a different campaign each day and you would get a certain amount of credit for the campaigns that you did. I did, how many campaigns? Like 4 or 5. I was supposed to have like $35 in credit. Actually, recently this morning got paid for them. It took a week and a half to get paid. It was kind of ridiculous. There were people on Instagram that are like, oh my God, Poshmark is screwing us over again. Nice job, Poshmark. You're backdating things because the dates changed and everyone just automatically assumed that Poshmark was just trying to fuck people over, and then they were gonna lie and be like, oh well, the deadline date now says December and you did it in January, so people just like jump to conclusions, and it was actually pretty fucking ridiculous. Poshmark sent out an email saying, actually hold on, do I still have the email from Poshmark? Probably not. But basically they said that there was a bug. They're aware of it. They said that they received an overwhelming response, which they probably did, because I guarantee like a shit ton of people jumped on that, because if you did all the campaigns, you could get $155. Times that by however many fucking people that did it. They said that they like reached their budget. They had like a couple months budget or something, and they said they reached that budget within the first like couple days. So I don't think that's surprising. So yeah, so they said that, and then they said that there was a bug with the dates going back to like December, but they're like, don't worry. And then people are like, oh yeah, there's a bug, as if like technology shit like can't happen, as if like mistakes can't happen with technology. And then they said that they were short staffed too, so they had to hire or try to hire more people to go through the campaigns. Like all of it made sense to me. But yeah, there were still some skeptics that are like, no, they're just getting us to list more and they're gonna lie to us and say they're gonna pay us, but they're not. So yeah, so I did hear about the drama. They have since stopped the campaigns because of like the overwhelming response. They currently, guys, this campaign, you all should jump on this campaign that's up currently. If you list Patagonia, you get $1. They'll give you $1. Oh, and by the way, so the campaigns that I did, they were supposed to all be Posh credits, but I got half in Posh credits and half in actual like cash. So that was weird. I know that some people got it like all in cash, and by cash I mean like, you know, you're able to deposit into your bank account, not like as a redeemable Poshmark credit. I don't think they meant to do that, but guys, mistakes happen, shit happens. Technology isn't always like perfect. I believe that something went wrong. I definitely believe that they received an overwhelming response. They're probably like, oh shit, and like, you know, they didn't have enough people to go through them. It makes sense to me. I don't know why people like automatically assume the worst, like, oh no, they're just trying to screw us over. It's like, if you really think that about the platform that you're making money on, then fucking move to another platform. Like, I don't know, I just don't get the people that are like on Poshmark and they make their living on Poshmark and then they just shit on them all the time. Like, it's, I don't know, it's like working, although I mean you don't work for Poshmark, but you know, it's kind of in the sense like if you work at like a real outside the house job, and you know, you hate your boss and you just complain about it every day. It's like, I don't know, make a change if you're that unhappy, you know? Okay, next question. Do you use a cross-listing service? I get this message like almost daily. Yes, I do. Okay, so I first started using Vendo and I liked Vendo, but they had too many bugs for me. Then I switched to List Perfectly. I used List Perfectly for about a month, I think, or no, actually it's been like 2 months. But actually this morning I switched back to Vendo. List Perfectly, I don't know. There's pros and cons. If you guys want me to make a video like comparing Vendo and List Perfectly, I can do that. But I think I've come to the conclusion that I do prefer Vendo as long as they can work out their bugs. Because there's just too many like little things about List Perfectly that are just annoying. Last question. Do you think mass messaging people works? I know I've gotten a couple messages from you on my bundle, and I honestly think it's annoying. Okay, well, Poshmark has a new feature called My Shoppers where you are able to like mass message people in their bundles. You can send like mass offers, you can send mass comments to bundles, and I have done that. I've done that numerous times and I've had great success with it. Are there people that think that that's annoying? Sure, absolutely. But I don't really care. I'm in the business to make money. I'm not in the business to like cater to people's feelings. You know, like I don't know how to say that without sounding like a bitch. Some of you guys would be like, Vanessa, you're a bitch. I'm not worried about like being annoying to someone or like hurting someone's feelings. You know, like if you think that's annoying, that's great. You just don't have to buy anything from me. But a lot of people like that. They like to be told when you're having a sale. So, yeah, as with everything, there are going to be people that like it and don't like it. I'm going to continue to do it because, like I said, I've had great success with it. And I'm not sorry that you think that my comments were annoying. Like I said, this is a business. I got to run a business, and I'm going to do what it takes to make money. And if it means that I'm annoying, then I'm annoying. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit. You guys hear Nolan. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.